Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn content using RSS with Feedly. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your LinkedIn content using RSS with Feedly, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page. On your profile, look for the Activity section. Click on See All Activity to open a new page displaying your recent LinkedIn activity. In the Activity section, select the Posts tab to view all your published posts. Next, find the RSS feed for your LinkedIn activity. This may require creating a custom URL since LinkedIn does not provide a direct RSS feed. To generate the feed, visit a third-party RSS generator website. Input the URL of your LinkedIn activity page into the generator. Follow the website's instructions to create the RSS feed URL. Once you have the RSS feed URL, copy it to your clipboard. Now, go to Feedly and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create a new one. It's free and straightforward. In Feedly, look for the Add Content button, typically located in the left sidebar. Click on it, then paste your copied RSS feed URL into the search bar. Press Enter to load the feed. Feedly will display your LinkedIn activity feed. Click on Follow to add it to your Feedly. You can categorize the feed for easy organization. Now, your LinkedIn content will automatically update in Feedly whenever you post. This makes it easy to back up your posts for future reference. To view your LinkedIn posts, simply go to the Organize section in Feedly whenever needed. And that's it. Your LinkedIn content is now backed up using RSS with Feedly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.